So we're back at the truck farm. We just filmed that little segment on the rust repair for UBTK5. But one thing that y'all may not know is that we weren't able to get the hood up on the unibody. Well, I come up to John's to the truck farm and this sucker's popped. Look at this. So Rocky's gonna help me get this thing open and I'm gonna look at this thing for the first time under the hood. Who knows what this looks like? Because as you'll remember, this truck sat in a chicken house since '94. And dang, it looks like it sat in a chicken house since '94. This is a nicely surface rust engine bay. But hey, the firewall's still black, original paint. Is the VIN tag? Is that where the VIN tag would have been? I guess it is. So, yeah. But where is it? I think there's one in the door.
Long gone, probably.
Sucker's rusty. But dang. Look how high up this motor sits in the engine bay.
That's cool.
That is pretty cool. So yeah, you're gonna see us get this thing running on a future video. It may be after UBTK5, not really sure. But look at this. Ford 302, 2-valve, regular fuel. Man, I wish I had my camera, I'd get a picture of that. Yeah, this is cool, man. That's pretty so cool.
Slick.
Valve covers say powered by Ford. Or power by Ford. I'll dig that. Man, I hope this thing turns over like it's supposed to. We shall know another day.
Absolutely.
All right, guys, so that's the under the hood on the F100. Rocky likes it.
Rocky definitely likes it.
Rocky likes everything. He's just such a nice, happy guy.
Rocky does like everything.
All right, guys, we'll catch up with y'all soon. Hope you enjoyed this look under the bonnet, as the Europeans would say, of the F100 Unibody.
Cue the music.